spirituality and holistic healing.
Mara ke kopa o tsenye disclaimer hore dinomoro tse o di feeling a se tsa mojolo ke tsa business.
It's a business, it's strictly for business. It's not a personal number. As a personal number, ke number ya business. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So claro, sebetsa. This is the problem because I can't wear the headphones. Dia wadan sokodis da hangi wa wana he
After the first year, second one. So did you experience like challenges, like physically, emotionally on the first day, like I want to go on the second one? I think what is more exhausting. Because I think my emotions at that time were very much so just touching it. You can see that when you're seated here, it makes you feel like, why do I fit in this program? Okay, and then how was your experience today? My experience today was fine until I reached the tower.
I think it got keys.
Yeah, the moody keys.
It's fine. You continue.
I want you to get away. Where am I dropping? Kibizwa mmemale fier. Ndate mmemale fier. Ndate mmemale fier. Mba a felitsing ke tota mosala a chizinamba.
Ndate isalo kadile le trela Moshoeshoe. Ikutwa yo angu tena ndate ile last day like today.
Aji mnati. ke le basa bo 12 ke tsamaya consecutive ke tsamaya ka pizza gina see if I see 1 week.
So 200 years to you, what does it mean?
No, I don't think that. Bophelo bo botjha ntho ngwe le ngwe e o e phelang go tloa ka taba tourism re tlameha re nyolle tourism nna ke motho wa tourism haholo ke ka moo ke se ka betse ka teng re tlameha go hodisa tourism ya rona ka Lesotho go tloa mono re tla le hodisa tourism ya rona tlameha re tsebe nnete ba gore bophelo ba Basotho bomme le bontate re bue nnete le bone bana ke bana mo ba teng ka ntle ba ntse ba ngwatha fela bana bano itsida ba sharp ha ba hantle wa bang empa ke ba o stika sa pele wana pero se ya gina wana ke hotse ke mogana letsatsi le tšhabile go boima ga wa gona sport ya go gala letho go gala go gopa ka ga letsatsi go apara go o yana eng gomele bontate bophelo bo nepahetseng ga fela o ka thwe Lesotho le fetoile ene le fetoela motho e mong le mong e se nna fela nna o lebele ke na ke na bothata ba bophelo bo fetoetseng bona nka bo fetoela empa bo tsamaya bo fetoele bana ba rona e tlameha be re ka mogale motse le kgolo kwa no bale ba tse 50 kwa no bale tla be re sa phele empa hona le bana ba rona ba tla be ba phela dikolo tsa rona tse tla be di phela ha di a tlameha di tlotla di sotla ka ga Lesotho ha di a tlameha di kopira bophelo bo phetseng hona le ba di sara ka ga dithaba ka mang hona le diphoofolo tsa rona tsa mehlape ya rona e ntse bua ke mang ka mang ha ke se na bua ke bo mang empa e hana taba bophelo bo se bo etsalang ha tlameha bana ba rona ba tlo sotla ka lebaka la rona re tlameha rona re fetola bophelo ke go ra ke reng le hona ba re ke I am advocating for bophelo bo botle ba bana ba Basotho ke go ba bana ba bo rona ke a le ba maga ai no re isa go etsa ntse tsena
Dimela tlemme
le kae ya ntate
a re jwetse ka leto la o le bona le jo
ka le boima ntate le boima fela le monate ntse le tshale mo se seng le se se ya ntate
na le limo tsa ka ntse o tsamana
se tsiletse
khalo itswe
ya ntate
all right a re jwetse 200 years of celebration, what does it mean to you?
Jo e ba go hotse re le Basotho ntse re tswela pele ho ya ntate lo ke tika hona fela go sontso bona hala go ke mo ke tlo moholo o fetang dilemo tse dintse ngata tse ke di tsamaile ya ntate
so nana hore ke di feed dilo tse o batlang go di bona di etsahala mo Lesotho ka morago ga di celebration
ha ke re responsable ntate ke responsable e ke be moketinyana o batlang o le moholo feta mo ka o fetisa batho ba tsa maleto lena ba se ba tswa dikotsi tsena tse ngata tsena tse ba di tswang ka baka la hore ke a kgola ha bana botlisene paitse ya hore na ba ka gwala dieta tse jwang ba ka gwala thepa e sebediswang ka kakaretso ya ntate
ha ona bofelo
ntate
la ha ona bofelo
ntate ntse ke tlo tsama ha ke tlo katela ona jwale
wa felletse.
Eya ntate.
Thank you.
Thank you ntate. Ka bona.
Se moyeng ko YouTube. Guys, can I talk to you?
Oh, sure. You'll have to speak to my wife, who is actually the
She's
EU
radio,
ambassador, the German ambassador, Sandra.
Sir, Sandra, how are you?
I'm good, yeah.
I'm good. Tell
Good
us
thing.
about the journey.
Well, so far it has been most amazing. Wonderful walk and full of historic significance and a lot of interesting people to meet. A lot of interesting conversations, so I like it very much.
What's your name and where are you from?
Well, my name is Andreas Peschke and I'm the German ambassador.
That's great. That's wonderful. So what would you like to see happening in Lesotho after this celebration?
Well, I think this year is a special year in historical significance for Lesotho. 200 years of starting to build a nation by King Moshoeshoe. So I understand it's a sequence of various celebrations, the anniversary, then the National Day. So I would wish Lesotho really to take on the impetus from this anniversary and to produce it or to transform it into energy, to development into the future. So we are here, Germany, the European Union, other partners, to support Lesotho, also to be friends and partners, like projects with Renuka and other projects, to really take the country forward. And there's a lot of potential in Lesotho. So there's water resources, there's a lot of human capital, people are very diligent, so the potential is there. And I think it's up to the people themselves, to the parliament and to the government to use this potential and take the country forward.
Thank you so much.
It
was nice and mouthful. Let's get this gentleman. Serena lo wena rra kopa bua le wena.
Bontate.
Ata.
Ka bontate.
Re teng le kae ta?
Ke phetse lona.
Re phetse.
Bontate.
Re jwetsa ka leeto la hao. How do you feel about it?
Leeto has been great. It's my first time. It's been an experience and a half. Ke nera fela massage fela ke tla ba monate. Yeah.
That's awesome. So the 200 years of celebration, what does it bring to you in Lesotho as a nation?
I'm a South African. Ke tlo celebrate le Basotho. Like I said, it's the first time the experience. I think it means a lot to see people celebrate the independence of their nation. It's a part of history that I also got to witness for my neighbors. So on their behalf, I'm grateful. I'm glad for them, and it's a great feeling to experience Tsatsile.
Thank you so much, sir.
Only one now, thank you.
I forgot to record this one, but anyway, you guys are hearing me. It's fine. Ya ko pele ntate, ya ko pele. How do you feel about it?
I am very happy, though I am so tired. But the fact that I made it to this far, I'm so happy.
You made it up to this far?
Yeah.
Did you started the first day?
Yeah. The last time I got a bus was on Wednesday.
Are you willing to finish up?
Yeah, that's the plan, and I'm going to do it.
What's your name, sir? Are you from Lesotho?
Yeah, I'm from Lesotho.
Can I ask you the last question? What does the 200 years of the Basotho mean to you?
It means we are from somewhere and then we're going somewhere. Now, it says we have to look back and then analyze as to are we really getting somewhere or are we still stagnant? So to me, it says we are going somewhere. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nat.
Do you do that one often? Do you do the name often? Once a month. I don't know if this is the targets.
Me? Hey, I
had a conversation with someone. Thank you. You can talk to me.
How are you, sir?
Good, and how are you?
I'm good.
Awesome.
Are you from here?
No, I'm from Johannesburg, South Africa.
Oh, great.
Yes.
So tell us your name and tell us how is your journey so far?
I am Stira, and about my journey here, this is the second time I'm here doing Moshoeshoe Walk, and I think I love it. I can do it again. Yeah, I can do it again. I love it. I can do it for the third time though. I love it. But otherwise, it's hot. You can see I have my umbrella with me, even though it's unusual, but I had to have an umbrella. It's the third day today. So I've been burning my skin since ever. So today I found an opportunity to just be on the shade.
So tell us, what would you wish for the Basotho people after the celebration of 200 years?
To Basotho people too?
After they celebrated the 200 years.
Oh, okay. Oh, so I was just speaking in conversation with my friends here. I think the best thing they can invest in is agriculture. Yeah, we've been traveling around. I don't see much of agriculture. It looks like, and they have a lot of water here. So having a lot of water for them to invest in agriculture will be simple. For us in South Africa, we're struggling a lot with water. So with them, it will be much better to invest more in agriculture. If I was living here, I would go for agriculture because there's water everywhere I pass. I see water.
And they do have a lot of land.
Land is there. They've got a lot and lots of land. So for them, it's just to invest more into agriculture because I see less in agriculture since we've been working for such a long distance. Even if we've been traveling with cars from city to city, town to town, village to village, I see less. Even if I'm in the car, I see less of agricultural landscaping. So that's the thing that I think they should invest more into. But otherwise, in tourism, I think they are the best. They've got beautiful landscaping with these mountains, Drakensberg mountains, and all the resorts they have around here. So I think they are rich in that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Today.
Phela ntate wa ka le kae?
The journey so far, how is it?
Hey, ile leto le thata le tsela ka ke mothusi. Se kheye. Ntate. Hlaona thaba bosiu. Ile leto le thata haholo. Fela le monate. Le monate ka nnete. Le o re thapolotseng. Ntate.
Na ro tla felletsa le
dila ka le mo. Ne le haholo. Le miti ho jwalo ha re le sentse re le mona sentse re le thaba bosiu mona sentse re fihlile.
Thank you.
Ya le
Chikandit. Kalibizo ke ga le wa Sogwete. Leto lena le bile monate, le bile buima, le bile monate. 200 years, there's no better way we could have celebrated it. And sincerely,
so what does it mean to celebrate 200 years?
Well, it's our culture, it's our heritage, it's very important to hore. We appreciate all the sacrifices and understand the history. It's a to be where we are. It took a lot for our King Moshoeshoe the First our nation and we celebrate le batho bana bohle ba hlahang naheng tse fapaneng, so ke ntwe monate ka nnete.
Hello. How are you? Tired.
The blisters.
I told you, probably. What's that nigga just done?
Bravo.